This is a presentation on Brahmanical literature, a literature in Sanskrit characterized by Brahmanical ideas, Brahmanical principles, Brahmanical values. And Brahmanical literature are put under two classes. One is Stuti, whose period is 1500 BC to 600 BC. And second is Smriti, whose period is 600 BC to 750 C. Shruti literally means heard, and the term heard here refers to hearing from the Almighty, the God. This means the Shruti refers to literary form which is not a human creation, rather the product of revelation by God. So such literature represent product of revelation, so revealed literature. So Shruti represent revealed literature. According to tradition, the great sages or the rishis got this knowledge from God, and this knowledge they presented. But this presentation is not the creation of the great sages, rather this is what they received from the God or the Almighty. So Shruti literature literally heard, and that is revealed literature, refers to a literature according to Brahmanical tradition that is not human creation, rather product of divine knowledge given by God. Even in some other religions also such concept is there. For example, the Quran. The Quran is considered a revealed literature. This is not human creation. So in Islamic tradition, it is considered a divine knowledge given by God. Same is the case here. And Vedas represent the Shruti literature. Vedas were composed during the period 1500 BC, 600 BC. Vedas also represent what is known as Vedic literature. And Vedic literature or Vedas, which are 4 in number, composed during Vedic period, and Vedic period is 1500 BC to 600 BC, but they were not penned down. Composition does not mean they were penned down, they were in written form. They were in oral form and transferred from one generation to another, because the Vedic people didn't know how to write. They didn't have the idea of art of writing. Writing emerged later, and then these Vedas were penned down or put to write. And I will be throwing exclusive light on Vedas also. Now, I am going to explain the second category, what is known as a Smriti. So, Smriti literally means a memory. Smriti literature is human creation. This is the product of human knowledge, human intellect. So the distinction between Shruti and Smriti is that this is the product of divine knowledge, this is the product of human knowledge. And the Smriti literature composed during 600 BC to 750 C. And under this, various forms are there: Vedangas, Dharma Shastras, Niti Shastra, epics, and Puranas. And I will throw light on all these one by one. So now I am going to throw light on Vedas, and then Vedangas, then Dharma Shastra, then Niti Shastra, then Epics, and then Puranas, one by one.